Muathe.com. So over the last couple of days, we've seen another explosion by some of the Bitcoin related stocks. And for example, we can see BITCF as of Monday was up an additional, let's call it 90+%. A huge move here. And some of the other names, for example, BTSC. This is one we played recently. After it moved above this range here, that was a buy. And when I issued that alert, it's done well over the last, let's call it 2-3 days. It was up an additional 40% after a nice gain from last week. And of course, there's another one here, GBTC. Another straight shot to the upside here, all-time highs, trading an additional 20%. Now you can see on the daily, right off the bat, is one of the reasons why the stocks are moving higher is because they've been holding above 69.1 over the last couple of days, hence the strength. No surprise. Take a look at BTSC, now reclaiming the level above 69.1, hence this acceleration in price action. The last time it was trading above 69.1 was during this nice run up here, huge run. So here we are seeing it holding back above 69.1, hence the nice sharp move. Now you can take a look at the monthly charts, and you can see for yourself here one of the reasons why the stock is taking off. For the month of August so far, it is up north of 700%, and it is doing this while it continues to hold above 69.1. So clearly this 69.1 threshold is a desirable thing if you're in the lookout for such type of momentum. Now, it doesn't mean that every time you buy a stock it's going to be up 700%. This is the exception, not the norm, that a stock is going to see this type of gain. But point of it is you're not going to get an acceleration in price in any instrument pretty much until it breaks out and meets the minimum requirement, and more so it needs to be above 69.1 for magical things to happen. Now you can see here that even with the current breakout here, as it broke out above the prior recent monthly closing high, we see that the RSI was already trading above 69.1, which is one of our minimum requirements, and we need one of the MACDs to be trading at 3-year highs. Here we see that both MACDs were trading at 3-year highs, so that meets our minimum requirements. So the recent move in the stock is no surprise. In fact, I have to say that I'd set an alert for the stock here just under 50 cents, but the acceleration in price did not even give me the chance to wait for it to give us a nice entry. So we missed this one, but luckily we got some of the recent move here in BTSC, again as it cleared the level just below 0.08. So once it jumped above the prior monthly closing high, irrespective of price, you can see that the RSI on the monthly was above 69.1. We know that's an area of strength and superiority. We can see that both MACDs were already trading at 3-year highs, hence the reason why I like the stock when it was moving above 0.08 or just below that. Now we can take a look at the other one on a monthly chart, GBTC, and even before this month's explosion, up an additional 76% so far. RSI was already trading above 69.1. The most recent buy point is here. Now the reason why I have not been trying to trade this or profile this for subscribers is because of the volume. So I would rather play with a little bit more volume. Daily volume here is puny because the average daily volume is just under 54, and it's expanding recently. It's been way below that, so it's kind of hard one to track, but the chart is a beauty if you take a look at the monthly. And we can see here, I always like to take a look at some of these stocks that are moving to see whether the minimum requirements we look for are legit. And you can see here both MACDs moving to 3-year highs, all-time highs. And of course, we can see that the RSI met one of the other requirements, which is that it either be at 3-year highs, all-time highs, or moving above 69.1. So same requirements, different stocks this time, same results. Take a look at the description of the video for a link that describes this method, which I call the ultimate Muathe breakout. Eric Muathe with Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESCS. Yes. Mwah.